Good morning, and check out this beautiful site here behind me. There's over 100 Bentleys currently on the Isle of Man. Some are local, most are visiting, and they are all here to celebrate the Bentley TT Centenary. And what a sight it is. Out of the 100 plus cars that are currently lined up here, there are two that I think are especially significant. One of them is that one here, that's the 1922 race winner, but that one actually wasn't a Bentley. It's still a very beautiful machine though. But the one next to it is probably more significant for fans of Bentley, and if you know your Bentleys, you're going to know what this is, and you may gasp a little bit now, because that is EXP2. That is the oldest, most significant and, well, best known, or probably oldest known surviving Bentley in the world. That is one of the very, very early cars that started the Bentley brand. And this car didn't actually race here per se, but it was on the Isle of Man in 1922, and it was used for practice runs. And apparently the race driver, this is a stock car, this is not a race car at the time. And apparently the drivers, or the driver who drove it, said it is as quick and stock as the race cars of its time. So Bentley clearly stuck to that motto in a way that their road cars today are equally still very, very fast. But just to see EXP2 out in public and also being driven on public roads over here is just outright amazing. It's probably the rarest and one of the most valuable Bentleys in the world. And it's great to see it here. Some of you might now be wondering, but Frank, what the heck does Bentley have to do with the TT? The TT is a motorbike race. Well, you lot need to brush up on your history, because the TT was very much a car race in the past as well, and the motorbikes only took over really properly at a later stage. So if you I'm going to spare you all the history here, because I don't have time and these guys are about to head out on the parade and it's windy. But if you just Google Bentley at the TT, you will find that they have quite a history on this island. And the parade you're about to witness here with over 100 cars, it's unprecedented. I've never seen anything like it on the island. That's going to be absolutely wonderful, because some of the cars that are in this parade, the last time they actually raced or drove here was 100 years ago in the TT. So the historical significance of this event for Bentley and for the island, the TT, is just, it's amazing. So I've never seen anything like it. So yeah, Bentley does have a very strong history at the Isle of Man TT in the very, very early days. And if you just check Google, Wikipedia or Bentley's own pages, you can read up about it. So here's the parade of all the cars coming down Bray Hill. And I promise you, you're not going to see anything like this ever again in a hurry. It's amazing.